Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Kermit, Piggy, and Fozzie are riding on an airplane. Today they're riding the vintage Fisher-Price plane. It's white, green, and yellow. It's time to board. Kermit offers Piggy to get on the plane first. He even carries her green suitcase for her. "Thank you, Kermit." And Fozzie offers Kermit to go next. Everyone gets in their seats and puts on their seat belts. Tray tables up. We're about to lift off. The air traffic controller lets the pilot know that it's safe to get onto the runway. It's a very icy and cold day. In order to remove the snow and ice off of the plane, the crew has sprayed de-icer. That's the green color you see. We are seated near one of the engines on the plane, so it can be a little noisy at takeoff. The plane goes thousands and thousands of feet up through the clouds. Once we get through the clouds, we see beautiful blue sky and a carpet of white fluffy clouds. And every so often, there's a break in the clouds, and we can see beautiful snowy peaks. Now that the plane has reached the proper altitude, the engine is quieter, and it's time for a snack and a drink. Today I'm going to have some orange juice. Juice is just a special treat once in a while. I also have some pretzels and some cookies. The plane is starting its descent, and now we're flying over the ocean. Can you spot the teeny tiny sailboat with white sails? We're about to land on the runway. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.